the Sacramento Tree Foundation, working to grow thriving communities through stewardship of our urban forest. Yes, these beautiful lands once held 10 times the number of trees. And that's our job, to restore the glory of the Sacramento urban forest. Now let's get to work, planting trees. To ensure the best health of our trees, we bring the rain to them with irrigation, a wonder of science. We have water. Now let's get ready to dig. But wait, where do these trees come from? From our nursery, where we grow them for a whole year. But how, you ask? It takes many hands to raise a tree. And it all starts with a seed. From collection, to potting, to care and watering, and of course, planting. We get help from volunteers to plant a forest, building a greener Sacramento and a happier community. But don't take my word for it. Go plant a tree.